Scott or Giedrius, what would you advise to an investor looking to enter the market, very briefly?
To be patient. But if seriously, I think you need, well, I mean, the country doesn't have an infrastructure of distant investing. Scott may tell differently. I mean, I know maybe you guys have some kind of vehicle which helps to invest indirectly through yourselves into real estate and other opportunities. So the financial sector, which supports the mediated investment, is in very early stage, if not non-existent. So in most of the cases, that would be direct investment. I think it's another 2 or 3 years to go until, optimistically, until the country has a proper functioning financial markets to funnel investment dollars into the actual kind of industries and actual projects. So I would say this is a bit of a both challenge and opportunity. I mean, there's no positives and negatives. I mean, the fact that Scott is there in Tashkent with a public entity, Hong Kong listed, if I'm not mistaken, and helping investor dollars to funnel into the country, that's great news. Having said that, I mean, there's also a big lack of technologies and competences and more sophisticated projects. So there, I mean, those who have technology and know what they're doing, Uzbekistan might seem an interesting direct investment area. I mean, we do invest together with Swiss and Asian investors, and they both, to invest in quality things, you need to bring in technology, people, not only funds. So it's not money only story.
That's good. And briefly, Scott, what would you, high level advice, what would you give to an investor first time entering the market?
Go to Uzbekistan and spend a month on the ground. Simple as that. You're going to see a whole host of opportunities, both in Tashkent and in the second tier cities. For example, I look at Fergana in the Fergana Valley and think that that could emerge as sort of Tashkent #2 with the infrastructure and whatnot. And there you're able to get phenomenal yields on real estate. But yeah, spend a month in the country, meet as many people as you can. And was just mentioned, and really the only opportunity right now is direct investment. Set up a vehicle there and purchase real estate through a vehicle. So there aren't yet institutional or financial investors that are creating vehicles to make it easy to invest, which of course is why the opportunity exists.
Great, thank you.